You're welcome. Okay, if this is your first time here, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more. I'm going to show you the easiest formula to solve the dosage calculation. All you gotta do is use this formula. Desired dose is what you want, what you are meant to give to that patient. Available dose is what you've got already, what you have already. All right? The strength of the medications are available, okay? It could be in grams, it could be in milligrams, okay? And the volume, this is the volume, right? What's the volume, the quantity, the volume of the strength in that? They might give you this and this and ask you to find this, okay? Mostly this. So it depends on the question. Just read your question very well, all right? Read your questions very well. You're going to practice a lot of questions right now. And if you still have any problem with this, let me know. I'm going to write a question right now and we can go through it, all right? But I want to use this to show you an example of how you can use this formula to solve it, to get the answers right, okay? First of all, you have to read the prescription. Read the prescription. Make sure that you understand what the doctor wants. Think of it like you're reading a treasure map, okay? Number two, identify the available, okay? Identify the available, okay? Know what you have on hand already. This is in milligram, this is in milligram, so we don't have to convert, okay? Sometimes this could be in grams, this could be in milligram, or sometimes this could be in milligram, this could be in gram. This is where the conversion in the previous video comes in. But right now, we don't need to convert because both of them have the same units, all right? The next step you're going to take is do the calculation. Use the formula. Do the magic, all right? You want this, right? This is what you want, okay? This is a desired dose, right? This is a desired dose. This is what you want, all right? This one. You want this, right? So let's put it down. Desired dose is 500. Okay? Divide the available. Available is what you have already in what you have at hand already, all right? That is 250 mg times, we don't have volume. We don't have. That is what we are looking for, right? We don't have volume, right? We are looking for how much tablets, how much are we supposed to give, okay? So, how much medications? You could call it tablet, you could call it med, I'll just call it tablet, okay? So, all right? So, to solve this, it's easy, right? The easy part, right? Since both of them have the same unit, cancel, right? So 500 divided 250 is going to give you what? It's going to give you two tabs. That's the answer. Or that's it. That's it. See how easy it is? Do you see how easy it is? Here's one to practice more. I'm sorry guys, I'm sorry. This is not milliliter, it's milligram. I'm sorry. You'll be like, oh my gosh, what is Roberta doing? Okay, that's it. So you can solve this right now, okay? I'm sorry, I made a mistake. So solve this right now and see if you get it right. What was the answer? If you get the answer right, please comment on the comment section, okay? I want to say congratulations, okay? You are doing great, okay? I want to give you a high five on the comment section. So write it down on the comment section and tell me, hey, I got it. Don't forget, all right? So remember the desired dose is what you want. So the desired dose right now is, this is what I was prescribed to give, okay? This is what I want. And the available is what you got. What you got already in there is 150, and this is the volume. This is the desired dose. This is what I want. Okay, what you want, the nurse, what you want. That's the prescribed medication, the dose, okay? Over available. Available is what you already got. All right? Okay, 150. Multiply by volume, the quantity already, the quantity. So 5 ml. Mg cancel mg, right? 300 divided 150 is what? 2, okay? 2 times 5 is what? 10, right? That is what the nurse is going to give to the patient, okay? Hope you got it right. Yeah, that is what the nurse is going to give to the patient. Tell me all. So you see how super easy it is? So you think you could do it? Okay, let's just do one more. Okay, one more. And then if you still have questions, let me know in the comment section, okay? You want to go ahead and solve this, okay? A nurse is administering a medication that is available in a concentration of 10 mg per 1 ml. If the ordered dose is 40 mg, how many ml should the nurse administer? It's super easy, right? You guys want to go ahead and solve it first and then see if you get it right. If you get it right, please, I am so curious to know. Put it down in the comment section, okay? So I could give you a high five. Did you get it right? Did you get it right? All right. Bravo. You did amazing. Go BFF. You are doing great. Okay. So let's solve this, okay? Remember, okay, you read through the question first, right? Read through the question first. Read the prescription. Make sure you understand what the doctor wants you to give. How much? Okay? How much you are desired. The desired dose to give. Okay? So here, this is a desired dose to give. Okay? This is. And the available dose, remember, you should know what is available right now. Okay? The available dose is this one. Remember? Let me see that a little. Okay. 40 mg over the available dose is, that is available. This word is right there already. This is just like a syllable word. It's like it's already there for you. Available is 10 mg. Okay. Times ml. You understand? Okay. So you could solve this now, right? Mg cancel mg, right? 40, 10, 1, 4. Okay. 4 times 1 is what? 4 ml. That's how much you're gonna give. You see how easy it is? Super easy, right? Good job. You did a good job. So thank you so much for watching my videos. If you enjoyed this lesson today, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more. Be part of the BFFs, okay? We could learn. It's going to be so much fun. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more, and have a great day today.